In this video, I'll be showing you how to do this 2-color alternating cast on, which gives this little detailed edge. This is great for double knitting. So it'll give you a border like this, and on the back it's reversed. And it's actually pretty easy to do. To do this cast on, you'll need 2 different yarn colors. First, you'll want to make a slip knot, so hold both ends like this, twist it, and pull a loop through, and put that on your needle, and then pull the ends tightly. And next, you'll want to put your fingers in between the yarn to separate them and pull your needle down. And now you'll have something that looks like a slingshot. So this is similar to the long tail cast on, but with another extra step. The first thing you're going to do is go under this first string here. To make it easier, you'll see 4 strings, so 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay, so when we're doing the first cast on, we're going to go under the first string and this 3rd string. We're going to grab that and bring it up. Okay, and then now we have to cast on purlwise for the 2nd color. So what we'll do is go behind the 4th string and grab the 2nd and pull that through. And that's it, and you just keep repeating that. So again, go through, grab that 3rd string, and now grab that 2nd string and pull it through. And you always want to be casting on in pairs of 2. So every pink stitch I cast on, I need to cast on a brown stitch with it, because when you work double knitting, you always work with pairs. So I'll cast on just one more time to show. So again, go in through this first loop here, grab that 3rd string and pull it tight, and behind this and grab this 2nd string and pull it. And one more note is that after you've cast on your stitches, you will turn your work and you'll work your first row, and normally you'll also remove your slip knot. So you'd work back, and then once you reach the slip knot, you can just pull it off. You can even do it now before you work your first row, but you just pull off your slip knot like this, and then everything will look nice and seamless.